For shallow recessed windows, we need to add FlexWrap on the outside and inside the corner using FlexWrap. We're going to do the dog ears here in the corners. So what you do is on the back of the FlexWrap, there's a crease. You fold it once, you fold it again. You pretty much go apply 6 inches on the sill, 6 inches to the top, and you make this little dog ear. You take the release paper out in the back. Again, the release paper is out. You fold it. Six inches on the bottom, 6 inches to the top, and you're going to make a little dog ear. Take this apart. Use your spatula, get into the tight opening. You simply just expand 2 inches out into the wall plane.